pressure lang ng tubig.
Pressure mismo ng tubig.
So makikita nyo mayroong ano lang siya, 1 meter drop.
Okay.
1 meter
Mula
drop.
sa tangki baba siya ng 1 meter.
Oo.
So in every 1 meter, kaya niya akyat 30 times or 30 meters.
Wow.
1 is to 30. So yung
30 meters.
Taas,
30
11 meters.
meters for each meter.
For each meter drop.
Yeah.
So that source of water,
Meaning, if 2 meters, 60
you can
meters.
bring it all the way up
Over.
there.
Yeah, yeah.
So the water from the well, remember you have a well by the pond, right, for the fresh water. You could just imagine from there to the point doon sa kitchen, doon sa taas, how many feet would that be? It's not going, I don't think it's too high. It's about 15 feet, I would say.
Yeah.
About 15
Less
feet.
than 30 anyway.
Or less than 30. So all you need is just 1 meter drop
1 meter drop.
from somewhere,
Then,
and then you can pump water from
30,
Oh,
what did you say? 30 meters?
times 30, eh.
Times 30 for 1. 1 is to 30.
1 is to 30.
Sa Argao, Cebu, yun ang pinakamataas na na-install namin sa whole Philippines.
Sa Argao, Cebu.
Difference in elevation from pump to reservoir, 200 meters.
Wow.
Tapos ang layo, itong delivery line niya, 1,050 meters. 1 kilometer.
Grabe.
1 kilometer.
I think sa atin,
Ang delivery.
sa atin almost,
Ang layo.
kuwan lang, mga 40 meters lang ang
Lapit
after.
na.
Wala. That's more or less 40
Magkano
meters.
yung system na to?
Pag unit lang, for example, 1 inch, 10,000.
Okay.
Tapos yung sa amin,
1 inch.
parang hindi namin parang binibinta yung unit.
Aha.
Bali package siya kasama na yung ano,
Ito.
yung may technician kami na
Package, the whole.
mag-supervise sa pag-install. Tapos the rest local labor na lang.
Yes.
Importante may isang technician na kami. Tapos
Oo, si Luda.
ititrain namin, mayroong tinatawag na technology transfer.
Yes.